My last video on my channel where I discussed the common question which most of my clients ask is when would their brand get a lot of leads and when would it be having a lot of followers on the various social media channels. So I had explained the three phases and the realistic timeline it takes for a brand to actually start getting leads and followers when we are focusing on the organic method of basically creating visibility. In today's video, I would want to explain or I would want to talk on the topic of from keywords to symptoms. So what does this mean, from keywords to symptoms? It has been observed that 90% of the healthcare professionals, whether it's doctors, dentists, clinics or hospitals, make this mistake of running behind keywords. So they are obsessed with specific keywords. For example, let's say the best dentist in Borivali, or the best orthodontics in Borivali, or the best gynecologist in Mumbai. So let us understand this thing, that when the patient or when the client searches for a doctor, they are not searching by the name, neither are they searching by these keywords. They are searching by keywords or long keyword phrases such as why are my gums bleeding, if it's a dental related problem. So, or if it's a gynecologist, there could be a search as to do these symptoms appear in the third trimester or the second trimester, based on what the problem the patient is facing. Or in case if the patient is having something relating to the diabetology, it could be regarding the symptoms of diabetology. Why is this sugar spike? So this is what the patient actually searches. They are not even searching for the doctor's name or the locality or even the specialty, right? So this is something which we need to understand, which the healthcare professionals need to understand, that what the patient basically searches in 2026 is what problem they are facing, what pain they are facing. That is what they are searching. Now let's understand something called as patient intent mapping. Now what does this patient intent mapping basically mean? So for understanding this, we require to shift our attention from something called as provider search to a phrase called as search journey. So 70% of the clients or the patients would be searching for a problem or for a symptom. For example, if somebody has got severe pain in the tooth, or there is spike in the sugar, shown on the glucometer while reading the sugar for a diabetic patient, what do you think the patient would be searching for? And in this case, if your website is displaying something like implants done at our clinic, or let's say for example RCTs performed at our clinic, and whereas your competitor has written an elaborate blog on writing or indicating 3 reasons why there could be jaw pain, or 3 reasons why you would be having bleeding gums, or if it's a diabetologist and they have a website and the website has an elaborate blog indicating that 5 reasons why blood sugar spikes, right? So who do you think the patient would be searching or basically trusting by seeing this content? So let us understand this factor, that in 2026 the Google has become even more smarter. By this, what I mean to say is that the Google algorithm in 2026 does not just bank on or does not rely on words per se, keywords. It relies on something called as helpfulness. So if your content is something that meets the patient at the fear point itself, at the beginning itself, this particular thing allows you to build authority, and authority basically builds trust. So if you are able to build that authority, your patient is obviously going to trust you and come to you. So to finally sum this up, if you've understood from keywords to symptoms, if you understood this concept and if you understood what is patient intent mapping, I would want to put across a challenge to you in the end. Please go and check your last 5 posts or your website, and please try to check that is your website or your post talking about your degrees, or are they talking about what patient about the patient's symptoms, or what are their pain areas, or what are their problems. So please go and check this. And this is Dr. Vinita Gaikwad, and I'm from Navanta Digital, and we help create digital visibility that will definitely bring patients and leads and build trust, on the online platform and through this visibility. So keep watching and do subscribe. Thank you. So